Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Cable and Wireless has made it clear there are some communities in which it cannot continue to operate as it does now because of the high incidence of copper theft. Managing Director of Cable and Wireless Jamaica, Stephen Price, says the situation is now so bad some people are without service for over a year. Mr. Price was speaking at a recent Jamaica Customer Service Week seminar. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Cable and Wireless reeling from the theft of copper wires over which it carries telecom services, theft which is affecting thousands of its customers.
We have about 12,000 customers who are affected by cable theft at this present point in time.
Stephen Price, who took over the reins at Cable and Wireless earlier this year, says that the issue has become a big problem for the company. Repeated theft of copper wires in areas where they have been replaced, the biggest of all problems.
We have certain communities which we've had cable removed up to, let's say, 9 or 10 times.
The theft happening mostly in St. Catherine. It has forced the company to adopt new technology to stem the torment, but those affected having to suffer a while longer.
Spanish Town has suffered. I mean, there are places in Spanish Town where I tell you, we can't go back as a business. Nightingale Grove is not one such. Homestead is one such, I tell you. We have to go back in with different technology.
Mr. Price says that the company is spending $1.4 million over October and November to roll out the new technology. Copper wires replaced by fiber and hybrid fiber coaxial wires. Still, these fall prey to thieves.
They're even chopping fiber for both Digicel, for ourselves, just to see if it's copper, because they don't know the difference between the cables.
He says that the best bet for the company is for the ban on copper wire exports to continue. While it has not stemmed the theft, Mr. Price says it has given the company some reprieve. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The price of the US dollar sank to a 6-week low on Monday as it settled at an average $129.06 for the first time since the end of August. The Canadian dollar is now selling for $103.78. Sterling is costing $169.55, while the euro cost $151.19. The JC Market Index gained more than 1,215 points today to close at a new record high for a 5th straight day. This is also the 9th straight day of gains for the index, which is up 43% since the start of the year. As for the junior market, it recorded a decline. Stocks posting gains today included Barita Investments, Express Catering, Jamaican Teas, KLE Group, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Sagicor Group. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Dolphin Cove, Kingston Properties, Lasco Manufacturing, NCB Financial Group, Raider Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.